Hi, thank you so much for joining us on this episode of Cooking Made Easy. Today we're going to be making pizza, homemade pizza with flour and everything from scratch. 1 cup of warm water, 2 cups of flour, a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt. Alrighty, so now we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 450 degrees. Let that warm up. Now I'm going to put 1 cup of the warm water into a large bowl, and I'm going to add the sugar, and then I'm going to add my yeast and mix everything all together. Start adding my flour and salt. So now I'm gonna have to find a flat surface, put a little bit of flour on it, and transfer the dough ball on here. So now I have my pan that I'm gonna put the pizza dough in, and I'm gonna grease that. I have a rolling pin, everyone. Gonna go ahead and roll this dough out, rolling. And if you like, oh my, see if that happens right there? I'm gonna put a little bit more flour there. All right, folks, so we got our pizza into the pan. Alrighty, so now we have our pizza dough, our toppings, and I love pineapple, turkey bacon, and we have our mozzarella sauce that we're gonna be using, and cheese. Marinara sauce. I'm sorry, my mistake. Safety first, don't forget your mittens. Now we're gonna add it to our oven there, and we are going to let it sit in there for 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you, everyone. We're checking on it. There's about 5 more minutes left on the pizza, and look at that beautiful thing. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes. Now we are gonna take the pizza out. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is literally a deep dish pizza. Oh my goodness. So I did want to let you know that if you register for this meal prep for pizza kit, you will be getting a pizza cutter, flour roller for the dough, and some actual flour. Please keep in mind that if you are 60 years or older, it is free, and if you are younger than 60, it is going to be a charge of $9. Alrighty, so here we have a slice. I'm gonna go ahead and add some chili flakes on here. It's really hot. That's actually really good. You can see the thickness of this dough and how it got cooked so well, and it's really, really good. I am really proud of myself. Thank you so much for joining us on this segment of Cooking Made Easy. I hope you can come back, check out our rest of the videos. Have a wonderful day, great night. See you later. Thank you.